Mark here at Combi Live, and I've got Mark Gorman here, our workshop manager.
G'day.
And we've just completed this special transporter. Looks a little bit ordinary when it first arrives off the boat, but it's anything but ordinary now. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about what's happened to this transporter?
Okay, so it's been fitted with the Seikel suspension upgrade. Okay, so it's been raised up. We've gained roughly between 30 to 40 mil front and rear. It's been fitted with the 245 7016 BFG All Terrains, the KO2s, and they've got the higher load, the 110/113 load.
And so why is it the 16s, Mark?
Okay, so with the 16s, we've increased the profile of the tyre. Okay, so it's gone to a 70 series to give it more comfort.
And we have 16s on this vehicle because this is actually a TDI340 4MOTION. So the TDI340 4MOTIONs, like the grey one I've got just over here, that grey one at the end, that is a TDI340 4MOTION as well. Short wheelbase, has the standard 16-inch wheel, and our customer has elected to swap out the standard 16-inch steel wheel for this particularly attractive. What's the name of this wheel again, Mark?
So it's the Fuel Vector.
The Fuel Vector.
Yep,
okay, so we've got the high profile. So we're getting some extra height through the profile of the tyre with the 245. What have we got? 60, 70 16.
Yes,
so 70 profile tyre there.
Yeah, so more tyre, more cushioning. Okay, so for off-road, much better design.
This will not, the spare wheel will not fit in the spare wheel carrier in this case.
No, it won't.
But this vehicle is still to get its platform on the roof, and the spare tyre will be on the platform in due course.
Yes.
One of the other advantages of the 70-inch profile, apart from the height that we're gaining, is when we get onto the really soft stuff on the sand, we can bag this tyre out more, because the high profile, there's more bag we can achieve. Imagine if we had, racing tyres on a sports car with a very low profile, there's not much you can bag out
right,
there. So this has got a really good bag. What else have you got here, Mark, on the front here?
So it's going to be the nudge bar in the black ripple to suit the black theme.
Is there any provision, Mark, for spotties on this?
Yes, so
or driving
two
lights?
mounting points there for spotlights. So you have a light bar or singular spotlights.
And has the design changed a bit over the T6 with this T6.1 nudge?
Okay, so the T6.1 comes through the mounting position underneath the bar, through this part, whereas the T6s will come actually through the bar where we make an incision in the bar.
So it's a little bit quicker to fit now?
A little bit quicker,
It's a little bit less precise requirements in the cutting there.
Exactly right, yeah.
So that's a little bit
So
better.
only small amount of cutting underneath the bar, just in the bottom tray, plastic tray there, but nothing from the outside.
And let's go around the back. So around the back here we have, we've done the weather shields, but also on this one, we're particularly good at the back here, we've got the ladder to access the platform. So this is the FRONTRUNNER T6 ladder with a T6 mount for the top. When we order the ladder kits, it comes with a T5 or T6 mount. The T6 mount is valid for T6.1, as that shape there has not changed. And this can be mounted permanently or non-permanently to the tailgate. So that's obviously going to be very helpful once the platform's on board. One of the hidden things in this vehicle is really, we can't show it to you, is it actually came from the factory after a long wait as a 3.2 ton, factory 3.2 ton. So it's actually a 3-seater, 3.2 ton from the factory, so it has a different cycle kit. It's not the standard T30 cycle part numbers, it's actually the T32 kit, which just through some good circumstance we were able to match up a kit for the customer in time for the arrival of this vehicle after a long wait. So it's really critical to check when asking us about cycle upgrades as to whether we have the 3-ton GVM, 3.08 on multivan in California, which is the same as the T30 arrangement, or the 3.2 that we see here. So the customer's going to be really well equipped to do his own fit out, roof platforms, interior fit outs, and has that extra couple of 100 kilograms weight allowance over and above that grey one there, which is a standard 3-ton arrangement. So Mark, just one last thing. I know with these tyres, we're going to be nervous about scrubbing.
Yes.
So you've taken it for a good drive. Now it's raised, it's got the tyres. What was the experience with scrubbing in the front wheel well then?
Okay, so on full lock, left to right, there's no tyre scrubbing whatsoever. Okay, yeah, in and out of the driveway on full lock, definitely no tyre scrubbing at all. Okay,
This
so
possibly could change with a full load up the front, maybe, but we haven't tested that
No,
scenario
exactly
yet.
right, yes.
But with a
Yeah.
single driver, it's 3-seater, but single driver.
not an issue.
That's
not an
right.
issue. Not an issue. And it still drives nice and smooth, and yeah, very nice.
And do we have some other tyre options? If you want all-terrain tyres but not quite so high or aggressive with the tread, there's a couple of other tyre options, is there?
Yes, we also do the Maxxis All Terrain, so slightly less aggressive.
A bit quieter on the
A bit
road?
quieter on the road. The BFG All Terrains, you do pick up on road noise, okay, but yeah, for off-roading, perfect. And also we've yet to try the Kumos, which are coming into stock very shortly.
Yeah, so the 235, 65, 17s for the
Correct,
17-inch
yes,
wheels
yeah,
in the
yeah.
Kuma will give us an extra bit of height again.
Yes.
And not be overly aggressive and
Yep.
okay for
So in the
vehicles.
coming weeks we'll have an update on that also.
Thanks, Mark. Thanks for the great
No
job.
worries.
It's really good to see this vehicle here, and
problem.
I know the customer's very happy with it.
Yep.
So
Yeah,
thanks,
looks
thanks for all your
fantastic.
hard work on it.
Thanks.
Thanks. Enjoy.